Hi, my name is Charmaine Vega and I'm going to tell you how to make sweet barbecue chicken. The chicken is pre-seasoned, but the reason I've done this is because the seasonings that I'm actually using is actually going to help you to better digest the meat when you eat it, and it'll give you a little bit of energy so that it speeds up your metabolism. The actual sauce that was made, it was made with 1 3/4 cup of plums that's chopped. It would be dried plums, and 1 cup of Mama Vega Hillbilly barbecue sauce. And then you're going to drizzle that over your meat, and then you're going to place that in the oven. Then you're going to take it out of the oven. You're going to drizzle it with Mama Vega's Hillbilly barbecue sauce. This is a delicious sauce and meat that goes very well with anything else, especially if you have a side salad or if you want to just give something sweet to somebody where they have the protein. It'll give you the energy. It will also give you the stamina that you need to go through the day, because protein helps you to go through the day without having to snack on other foods. As Mama Vega always says, chew on this.